In this video, we need to find the limit as x goes to 3 of x plus 2 over x minus 3. So this problem right here, this means that as x gets closer and closer to 3, what will this equation right here get closer and closer to? So the immediate way that you might think of doing this is plugging in x as 3, and that will show you exactly what x gets close to. But when you do that, you get a number divided by 0, which means that it's undefined. Which means that you can't, in this case, just plug in x for 0 because it doesn't obviously go to an undefined number, so we need to instead approach this problem from a different way. What we're going to do is we're going to say if we take the limit of x as it goes to 3, and now this means as a negative number, or from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. So it would be like 2.9 and then 2.99 of x plus 2 over x minus 3. And also the limit as x approaches 3 on the positive side, or from the right-hand side going to 3, of x plus 2 over x minus 3. Okay, so let's think over here. So for here we can plug in values 1 and 2 for x, and we'll see where it's going. So if we plug in x for 1, we get 3 over negative 2. And then if we plug in 2, we get 4 over negative 1. So you can see this goes from negative 1.5 to negative 4, meaning that this right over here, as x is closer and closer to 3, it'll go towards negative infinity. Okay? Now this expression right here, we're going to plug in 5 and 4 for x. So if we plug in 5 for x, we get 7 over 2. If we plug in 4 for x, we get 6 over 1. This is 3.5. This is 6. As you can see, when x gets closer and closer to 3, it'll go towards positive infinity. Now here we have a contradiction. We say over here that it goes towards negative infinity, and here it goes towards positive infinity. Therefore, these two limits are not the same, which is just this limit right here, meaning that there's no limit. The limit does not exist. Anyways, thank you much for watching, and goodbye.